Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. And guys, boy, did we buy a stock today. We bought Meta stock. We bought a whopping $2,000 worth of this stock today. Now, the reason why, well, one, looking back here at their last revenue, their last earnings report, you guys will see that they've done a fantastic job on revenue. The revenue has slowly increased. We all know that pretty much slowed down a whole bunch, as well as the user growth beat. They also slowed down a ton on their users. If we actually look here, you guys will see that, the growth suggests the ad market, which slowed significantly in the half of 2022 due to economics uncertainty, is beginning to recover. And that's what Meta really makes money on as well. We've also seen a company that, makes money off of ads like Google. They beat expectations. So we're slowly starting to see a little turnaround here as well. Here, the revenue, they brought in about $28.65 billion, which they were only expected to bring in $27 billion, so beating expectations by $1 billion, which is awesome. That's so much money. As well as the daily active users has gone up from 2.04 billion, which they were expected to only have about 2.01, so beating it by a whole bunch. So not to mention the monthly active users are up. We're seeing a huge rise in a variety of job offerings that Meta has. So the company's doing really well. Look at the revenue is nice and going up, which is always a strong indication. As well as, for those of you that don't know, Meta owns WhatsApp. They own Instagram, which those two things, Meta is now just figuring out how to monetize, which is going to mean more what? More revenue for Meta, which is going to cause this stock to go up as well. Now, you may be thinking, Carter, well, why did I dump $2,000 into Meta as its current price? We've seen great growth. Well, one, I own Meta. I've been buying these dips for a while now. I'm sure you guys know at the, watching the channel here. But overall, I still think, from its highs here of the highs here at 384, the stock's 316. So we still have a significant amount of sell-off. Looking here at the revenue, during this time when it was $384, they only brought in $29 billion. Even now, they're bringing in $32 billion. So with that being said, on that last fiscal year, they're bringing in more revenue than they were at all-time highs, as well as they're beating daily active users, monthly active users. They're monetizing Instagram Reels. They're monetizing WhatsApp a lot better, as well as we're not even talking about the VR, Oculus. That is slowly starting to get more and more popular. So for me, investing $2,000 into Meta is a great growth play. Yes, there's volatility. I get it. I get there's volatility. But I also think that, yes, looking back in 2, 5, 10 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought Meta at these current prices. And the craziest thing, guys, if we get more sell-off back down to $88, which you might be saying, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in my bank and I'm going to probably buy more Meta, because I'm a huge believer in the company. The company brings in a ton of money. And I honestly think this is what everybody cares about, is technology, artificial intelligence, software. And as long as Meta can keep people connected, keep people using this, I think we're going to be in a great spot here. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video on why I'm buying Meta. Let me know down in the comments. Are you buying Meta? Would you buy Meta? Let me know down in the comments right now. I appreciate every single one of you for stopping by. It means the world to me that you guys made it this far in this video. Subscribe, like, do what you guys do best. We are over 25,000 of you. 25,000 people care about me, or maybe care about me a little bit. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And don't forget, we're going to be going live twice a day, once or twice a day. So stay tuned for that. Hit that bell notification so you guys know when I go live. So guys, we'll see you guys. I can't even talk. We'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and do what you guys do best. Take care.